Ever wondered how you can travel the world without breaking the bank? Or maybe you're tired of those hefty bank fees when you're abroad. Well, you're not alone. That's exactly the problem a group of savvy travelers decided to tackle, and their solution? YouTrip. YouTrip, that sleek multi-currency wallet you see everyone raving about, isn't just some app. It's the brainchild of a team who believe travel should be accessible and affordable for everyone. But who are the visionaries behind this travel game changer? Let's dive in. While YouTrip is a team effort, a few key individuals spearheaded this revolutionary idea. At the helm, we have Cecilia Chu, a seasoned entrepreneur with a passion for travel and a knack for spotting market gaps. Their entrepreneurial spirit and deep understanding of the travel industry laid the foundation for YouTrip. Cecilia Chu's journey is quite inspiring. They briefly share a relevant anecdote about their travel experiences, e.g., once faced exorbitant exchange rates while backpacking through Southeast Asia, or observed the frustrations of fellow travelers dealing with foreign transaction fees. This first-hand experience ignited a desire to create a better travel experience for everyone. Joining Cecilia Chu on this exciting venture is Cecilia Chu, a technology expert with a deep understanding of fintech. Their expertise in developing user-friendly and secure platforms ensured that YouTrip would not only be innovative but also safe and reliable for its users. Together, this dynamic duo, along with a talented team of engineers, designers, and travel enthusiasts, shared a common vision: to empower travelers with a seamless and affordable way to manage their finances while exploring the world. And boy, did they succeed! YouTrip has rapidly gained popularity, revolutionizing the way people travel. With its competitive exchange rates, low fees, and user-friendly interface, it has become a travel essential for many, making international trips more accessible and enjoyable. So, the next time you're planning your next adventure, remember the visionaries behind YouTrip. Their innovative solution is making travel more affordable and accessible for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.